Steep ridges, high passes and one famous rock, we're on a search for Shangri-La, and this is Drone and Phone. Well, it's episode 3 of our Shangri-La adventure. If you've not watched episodes 1 and 2, I highly recommend you go back and watch them so you know where we are and what we're doing. Jack, what are we doing today?
So, after the pass of Zabala, then we keep going and going until here we can actually camp, which is really beautiful. You see the mountain? That's Yamayung South Slope.
I'll just show you our campsite down below, us right there.
And going upwards is about 4,000 meters above sea level all the way, and we'll pass another pass and reach Black Lake.
Okay, Black Lake. Let me just give you a quick view down the valley here. These are some of the most stunning mountains I've ever been to. I'm not sure about you, Jack, but it is really incredible. Join us as we go. We're going to get going. We're going to start, let me just turn around here, by going up that steep hill over there and then going across. We're about 4,200 meters. We've been up to about 4,700. We're going to be going in this up another 4,007, 4,008. It's very high altitude, but it's great fun. Let's get going. The word Shangri-La first appears in the 1934 fictional book Lost Horizon, written by James Hilton. Hilton never revealed a location the book was based on, and since its release and subsequent Oscar-winning movie, there's been countless quests to go look for it. We're here with English writer Simon Chapman to make a documentary of our own attempt to find the mythical valley. So far we've hiked 3 days to get over the Zabala Pass with our muleteer Sulong and his niece and our guide Gesang.
From
the pass we traverse along a high ridge above the valley, past waterfalls and across boulder fields to reach a small plateau where we stop to take a rest day. Jack insists on keeping up his daily routines while I continue to engage our growing audience. Well, I got a couple of Drone and Phone fans here who wanted to say hi. They wanted to take a selfie with me, so here we are. Doing that right now. These are two of our party here who are doing a lot of the hard work carrying the equipment up the hills for us. Thank you very much. You're doing a great job. Thank you. Oh, he's eating my... Oh, no! Feeling refreshed from a day's rest, we set off back into the mountains as the rain returns to haunt us. Just half an hour in, and Jack is feeling the altitude.
I wish I brought my hiking sticks with me.
I thought about mine.
What a mistake.
We continue into the clouds and across more boulder fields. It's a bare landscape with just the odd plant and a few plump birds. The higher we climb, the less we can see. Today looks like we've got a whiteout. We're going to be going across a very dangerous ridge without being able to see anything. Well, we've just made it to the highest point on this particular section, 4,730 meters up on this pass.
Remember the name? Black Lake Pass.
Black Lake Pass, how could I forget? We've been walking along shingle most of the way, a lot of it traversing with the odd up like we've just done now into these very spooky looking craggy mountains. I just turn around here, you can see the kind of rock formations that we've got around, some of which look like they've recently broken apart, and of course the prayer flags as we get at every place we go. Right, let's get down to the campsite. As we hike down, Gesang starts to forage for fresh food, a rare mountain flower, and wild mushrooms for a soup. Meanwhile, Simon has found another clue to Shangri-La at a small shrine that appeared in one of Joseph Rock's photographs.
It's traditional to leave items of value, like maybe this trinket that Jack found in the airport, at religious sites like this. There's lots of bangles and a knuckle duster with pistols on it. It's rather telling. This same site, this cave that's in here, was used by a rather religious bandit that Joseph Rock talks about in quite amused terms. This guy would go out and happily rob people in the local area and then continue his pilgrimage and leave trinkets at sites like this.
One more push and we slowly descend to another meadow where we can camp. It's been a long, hard, wet day. Well, we finally made it to our destination. You can see behind us, we pitched our tents. We're at the famous
Jadu
Farm, where Joseph Rock took his iconic picture of this rock behind us here with his team. We've just done the same with our team. For this episode, Jack, tell me about your highlights.
Yeah, well, firstly, after the pass, there was a long walk to reach the other camp. I feel like that was forever. And today, this morning,
We had a very steep climb up, and then after you get over the pass, it is stunning landscapes.
Exactly.
I've got to say, the last part is a real joy to stroll down at the end of the day. Now, we want to give a big shout out to our sponsors, Feel Al Raven, for supplying the clothing that has kept us dry and warm so far. Really good quality stuff, and we love it, right?
That's the same for high altitude, cold weather and all that. Amazing.
It works very well in these kind of conditions. Also, if you want to watch the documentary, we're here making a documentary about Shangri-La. There's a link down below. You can watch that at some later stage. And as always, if you never want to miss an episode, make sure you like our Facebook page on facebook.com/drone and phone.
Or you follow our previous episode nicely catalogued on dronefun.com.
And on our YouTube channel and our interactive map, which is on our website. My name is DJ Clark.
I'm Jack.
We are gasping for breath here at a very high altitude. We pitched our tents over here and we're ready for a good night's sleep. This is Drone and Phone.
Just step on a big piece of I say bullshit.